Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Vloggers. So today we will do a comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro and Galaxy S10 Plus. Both of these are the latest and greatest smartphones from this session. A hell lot of people have raised the question whether OnePlus could beat the fully packed Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And by the end of this video, Tech Vloggers will provide you a clear-cut picture about which one suits you the best. But the only thing you gotta do is to remember the price of both mobile phones during the entire video. Don't forget to hit the bell button and then drop a like, subscribe, share and comment if you like our video. Okay, now let's roll on into the overall build quality. When it comes to build quality, both models rocks and feels like $1 million each, and each one of them is built using glass on the front display. And the panels are surrounded by a metal band around the edges. And the S10 Plus does have a slightly better build quality and it uses Gorilla Glass 6, while the OnePlus 7 uses older Gorilla Glass 5. Now Gorilla Glass 6 offers the same scratch resistance rating as the Gorilla Glass 5. However, it has 2 times rating compared to 5 durability. Now when it comes to design, it's for topical when OnePlus 7 has actually copied the dual cores of the Samsung Galaxy S10, which is a signature design element of Galaxy smartphones, and hence OnePlus 7 Pro has become extremely appealing. The OnePlus 7 also provides us with a truly full-screen display without any notches or hole punches too, which gives it a lead in overall design appeal. And of course, we will talk about the actual display quality in a while in more detail. And both of these smartphones have dual stereo speakers, and both also offers Dolby Atmosphere sound, which is fantastic. OnePlus 7 Pro sounds slightly more balanced and refined if you listen very carefully. However, the difference is too little to notice for most people, making it almost equal for the average user. The S10 Plus just takes a quick lead by offering the 3.5 thermometer headphones jack, while the OnePlus does not offer it so. S10 Plus also offers IP60 water resistance, while OnePlus lacks this feature as well. So overall in this category, so far the S10 Plus does define a clear lead. It has a better build quality and has several features that the OnePlus 7 Pro does not have. However, I personally prefer the design of the OnePlus 7 Pro only on the punch holes. So when we compare just to the punch holes, S10 is not as bad as not ever having the punch hole. Now let's move on into the memory and storage. Here the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a super fast Snapdragon 855 processor CPU and a 6GB of RAM of storage for the base model. You could also acquire the OnePlus with 8 or 12GB of RAM, which also get you 156GB of storage. The S10 Plus also houses a Snapdragon 855 processor, 855 gigabytes of RAM, and can be acquired in 1 day 20GB fly from a 12GB or 1TB storage option. The wonderful moves through a Josh and also gives you 12GB of RAM, and of course the S10 Plus also comes with an SD card expansion which allows you to add additional 5-minute 12GB of storage if required. Both of these smartphones are as fast as you can see by these benchmarks, but the multi-core and the single-core scores are nearly identical. Sometimes the OnePlus 7 gets a few issue of points, and sometimes the stance gets a 3-way sure points. However, the simplest 7 does not have warranted. Storage as a part of the S10 places with less point to 1 storage, which was given a lead in terms of absolute performance. So while the OnePlus 7 Pro does have the advantage of faster processors, S10 Plus had this by providing expandable storage in higher base ground. Now let's move on to the actual display. Both smartphones have stunning displays. The 7 Pro has a larger 6.678 display with a resolution of 1440 by 3124 16 pixels powering just, while the S10 Plus has a 6 point for the display with a 1440 by 3014 522 pixels for inches. Now let's check how the S10 Plus works in the desktop mode by using Samsung Dex, and it's used for playing games on external monitor, that is our computer, for the example. So it doesn't lag a bit. It plays very well. It's very useful feature. So both smartphones offer triple rear cameras, and we'll check out which one is better. So the left side one shows the Galaxy S10 Plus picture, and the right side one is the shot from OnePlus 7 Pro. Oh, the S10 Plus is 2 into optical and OnePlus 7 Pro is 3 into optical. So S10 Plus has 123 degrees and OnePlus 7 Pro is 117 degrees only. No, you are the one who must say which camera works the best. It's according to you. So I guess S10 Plus also has better slow motion and higher quality audio recording. Now don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video. So thanks for watching the Tech Vloggers. Thank you.